So everybody, back with another video. This one's gonna be pretty quick, it's pretty basic. I'm gonna show you how to make your fenders wider to fit bigger tires. The only tools you're gonna need are a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm ratchet, or a bigger 10mm ratchet with a deeper socket. Alrighty, first we're gonna get in here because we're gonna need to get into that bracket over there. If you can see it, it's kind of hidden. That's the one that's gonna give us the ability to make this a little wider. If you're wondering what the kit looks like, this is made by a company. I'll put the name below. And it's pretty much a little spacer here and pretty much gives you a little bit more spacer, wider, basic, simple. Bolt on, 10mm. Another thing, I got my instructions from my good friend, Steven, Instagram name right there. And he apparently, he's the only guy I've talked to that's done this specific kit. Okay, so I opened the door and I popped these out just by pulling a little bit on here. It's a little covered by your mirror. Popped it out. There's a bolt. This is what your fender attaches to on the body here. So we're going to take this bolt. I'm sure it's a 10mm. I used a ratchet. It's just it came off. So fender's a little free there now. A little bit of wiggle room, I think. Look down. The fender here, the fender well area. There's a little tab there, and I think that's what the plastic is attached to, and that's the bracket we're going to be extending with the wider kit. If you close the door a little bit, you'll be able to stick a screwdriver in there, pop these little edges of this bolt. You should be able to push it right back out, like that. Get this out of the way. Let's open this. We should be able to see that bolt right there you're seeing. That's the one we need to remove so we can attach the spacer. Alright, so pretty done with me. It's a little early. So turn your wheel that way. I'm going to have plenty of space to work back there. You might need a little bit more of a extension to reach, but it is a 10. And it is that bolt, my friends, and it is a 10. So I went a step ahead, and I'm going to remove the bolt at the bottom of the fender that attaches it to the unibody. So I would just remove the side skirt, just because, I don't know, a little bit paranoid. It's just me, though. Once you remove that bolt, you'll notice your fender actually moves out. It'll make it a lot easier to put the spacer where it goes. So using the applied bolt, you'll put that right there is where we took off the original one. And what you want to do is pull out the fender a little bit, slide this over, line it up, and apply the other bolt. When you put in the other bolt for the fender, make sure that the long part is sticking in towards the wheel, not your door. Just in case, I'm not sure if we'll have clearance issues, but you know, it's better to avoid that. Alright, now once you've done that, we just reinstall everything the way we got it. Make sure you don't have any extra bolts, and then we repeat and do the other side. Simply reattach your side skirt if you did what I did and took it off. Make sure all the bolts are in. That bolt up there as well, that's the top part of the fender. There's one bolt here, it's a 10mm. There's one bolt in here behind the side skirt, it's also 10. This is a 10. Just about everything's a 10, and once your brackets are in, it should look a little like that. Make sure they're nice and tight. And reattach the last plastic lining here. It should simply just pop right in. Guys, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And, you know, you're here. If you're here, look at these videos. I just chose these for you. And you know you want to watch them. They're, you know, just watch them. They're cool.